Hello students, hope you all are fine today. Now today we'll start our next topic in the chapter 4, that is inserting the text box in publication window. How to insert text box here, then how to format text box here, then how to save your publication file, how to print the publication file, and how to close or exit the publication. Okay, now we'll do it practically. First of all, you have to open Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. So all of you see my desktop here. You need to type here just PUB. When you type PUB, the publisher option will be showing you. Okay, now click on this option and open Publisher app. After opening Publisher app here, see, it will showing you the blank pages here. You have to create one blank page here. Okay, after selecting blank page, you can see in your textbook on page number 61 how to insert text box here. So first of all, see, you cannot type anything here. See, all of you able to see, you cannot type anything here. First you need to add a text box here. So how to add text box? In the home tab, there is option in object group, there is a text box. See, draw text box. Okay, just click on the text box, and when you come on the blank page, see, it will showing you the plus sign here. Just drag and drop here the text box. Okay, my text box is draw. Understood? After drawing text box, you have to type in this text box. Suppose I am typing here hello students, I am your computer teacher. Okay, all are able to see this word no. Okay, these letters are too small. So if you need to increase the size of this letter, increase the font, okay, so you need to first select this which you already type here. Okay, and see, this is also formatting options are given here. Okay, otherwise in the format tab, font group, the options are also given here. You can increase font size from here also. Okay, otherwise you can click this capital A and a small a. See, now you all are able to see this hello students, I am your computer teacher. Okay, likewise you have to type here. Okay, now all of you know how to type here. Okay, first you need to draw a text box from home tab, and see, object group, draw text box, drag and draw the text box here, and after that type what you want here. Okay, after typing, next is a formatting text. Now how to format text here? See, first you need to select the text which you have to format it. Okay, after selecting the text, you can see the font group is available here. Okay, you can change the font style from here. Which font style you want, you can select it from here. Okay, likewise, see, you can select any font size. Understood? After selecting, you can increase the size of the font. Okay, after increasing, you can make it as a bold, or you can make it as a italic. If you want to give underline here, you can click on this underline option. Understood? After that, next is font color. If you want to change the font color, you can select this. This is a font color. You can change the font color from here. Okay. After changing the font color, in format tab, see there are many options in format tab. Shape fill is available, means if you want to give the color to the text box, this is your text box, right? If you want to give the color to the text box, then go to shape fill and give the color which you want. Here you can give any color here. Understood? How to give the background color, how to give the text color here. Okay. Now if you want to give the alignment to the text, then you can select this text and give this alignment in paragraph group. First is your left alignment, second is your middle alignment. See, the my text is go to the middle alignment. Next one is your right alignment. Okay, I will keep it as a middle alignment. Understood? Now next is after creating a text box and typing some text in the text box, you need to save this application. So how to save this application? Here, see, in the corner, top side left corner, there is a save button and the shortcut key is also given here, that is Ctrl plus S. Okay, you can click on this save button, otherwise on the keyboard you can press Ctrl and S together. Understood? I am clicking on the save button. Understood? Now it will showing me the option here where you want to save your file. If you want to browse here, you can browse and select a particular folder. Otherwise, click on directly desktop and select I want to save the file on my desktop. Okay, see, this is your desktop here. Now user Yuga, and this is my desktop here. Now you can give the name to the publication file. Suppose I am giving name here, that is demo. Okay, select the name to the publication file and click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, your file is saved here. See, your file name is given on this red color tab, that is a demo.publication, means your file is already saved here. Okay, after saving publication file, next topic was what? Printing the publication. How to print this file, how to print this page. Now go to file. See, the file tab is available here. Click on this file tab here. After clicking on this file tab, it will showing you the print option here. Click on the print option. After clicking on print option, see, your page preview is ready. Okay, now your page preview is ready. In this print option, this is what copies of the print job, means how many pages you want. I want only one page, so I select here only one page I want. Okay, if you want two, then click on this 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many pages you want. After that, print, you can directly click on this print button. First you need to select the printer from here. Okay, I don't have any printer here, connected printer, but if you already connected your printer, so your printer name will be showing here in this list. Okay, after that, selecting the printer, see the print all pages. Suppose you have here 10 pages. Okay, so you can select all pages. Yes, I need to print all pages here. Okay, otherwise you can select the page number here. I want only one page or only two pages. See, the IntelliSense are given here, pages, then enter numbers or range separated by the commas. For example, like this, I want 5 to 12 pages printed here. Okay, like this. After that, the page size is available, A4 size, then print one sided, then one page per sheet. These are the pages. You can select the page which you want. Okay, and click on the print button. This is what? This is a print preview. Okay, after that you can click on. After printing this page, this document, you can go back. Otherwise, you want to close this file, then directly click on this close button, okay, because your file is already saved here. If you want to close this, you can directly close this button. See, my file is closed. I am exit to the publication document, okay. Now likewise you need to create a publication file, text file. Now those who have the computers at home, please do the practice, please do this practice on your page number 66 in your textbook, page number 66. The practice time program is given here. Please do the practice at your home if you have a computer at your home, okay. Please do this practice here, and if you have any queries, please put your questions in the comment box, students, so I can understood you have some doubts, okay. So I will solve your queries. Understood all of you? Now next topic will be continue in the next video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.